everyone. Incredibly warm weather today. We have partly and mostly sunny skies right now. Looking at current conditions, it is 62 degrees in Spencerville, as well as Ada, 61 for Lima, Waynesfield. We have 64 in Upper Sandusky. So these temperatures are running well above normal. In fact, nearly 30 degrees warmer than average out there today. Looking at the winds, well, they are very, very breezy. We continue to see that wind pick up over the last several hours. Right now, that sustained wind in Lima at 33. But the gusts are coming in around 40 to 45. So again, that wind is whipping, and it will continue to be gusty for at least a few more hours. Looking at future wind gusts, we do see our strongest winds are basically happening now. We'll have gusts at 1 p.m. pushing close to 50 miles an hour, but by 4 p.m. starting to drop a little bit here, closer to 40. And once we get to about sunset at around 6:15, that's when the winds will really start to settle down here. You notice by 7 p.m. only seeing gusts around 20 miles per hour. So that situation will start to get better as we get into the late afternoon and early evening. Looking at our satellite and radar, nice and quiet right now. We've got the sunshine out there. So outside of the wind, it is a beautiful day across the area. We'll hold on to sunshine for the rest of the afternoon, but we are tracking our next system not too far away. Right now, it's just starting to develop here in the lee of the Rockies. In the eastern portions of Colorado, we see that snow and extends down through New Mexico, and this system is set to bring a stripe of snow on the cold side of it from Chicago through portions of Michigan. But then for us, we're actually watching a chance for thunderstorms. Areas here in the red have the possibility of some severe weather to work in for today on our Thursday. Our area will literally be on the edge of that spring weather and that colder weather. So portions of the area will need to watch for the possibility of some severe weather. We see that main risk from Findlay, Lima, Salina, and then points down to the southeast. We have even an enhanced risk. This is a level 3 out of 5 risk for areas like Kenton, Bellefontaine, and Sidney. That's where we likely get into more of that warm sector and more unstable air heading into tomorrow. So the big question with this severe weather chance is just how far north that warm front will go tomorrow, because if the warm front stays further south, that will keep us more stable. So it's not a slam dunk that we get storms and severe weather, but it's at least a possibility. And again, that exact track will be crucial for that chance. So we see the clouds increasing overnight tonight. We start our Thursday dry, but temperatures in the upper 30s and low 40s. We'll get showers in here just shortly after sunrise tomorrow. So we'll have some wet weather in the morning hours, the heavier rain, as you can see, for our southern counties. And then we'll get a break around midday, early afternoon, but the cold front will start to arrive late in the afternoon, early evening. We do see some more scattered showers and that possibility of thunderstorms. Meanwhile, you have icing possible as far south as areas like Bryan toward Toledo. So get an incredible range of weather in just a short distance tomorrow evening. And we see that line of storms. Watch how it starts to really expand across our southeast areas by early evening. So it's our southeast locations where we're going to be most concerned about severe weather late afternoon, early evening tomorrow. And then we're looking at a quieter forecast heading into the weekend.
They always say, Ohio, if you stick around long enough, you'll see something different. Yeah, and it looks like that's going to be the case.